Awesome. Welcome to the video here, and this will be 2 to 5 minutes for some practical spirituality for you. So you're probably on your phone or your computer right now, and that means a lot of the energy, unless you're being absolutely intentional, will move up into the headspace here. And tension can arise if you're unconscious about how your energies are moving. So I want to give you a practice here, a short practice to release that tension, release that focused energy up here in the head, so you can come back into what really resonates, and of course doing what it is you love to do and in a way that you love to do it. For this practice here, it will help to release this here. Okay, so to release energy, we got our hands. Hands are filled with conscious energy. A lot of conscious energy. That's why you can sense things, do a lot of things with your hands. They move as we imagine them to, right? So they are very conscious, the hands of the body. And we want to just first move some energy into them. Do that with movement. So rub your hands, take some deep breaths. I'll make these minutes and time worthwhile, so just practice with me here. Get going already if you haven't. And let's have one more deep breath. Hold it. Take your hands, just feel the vibrations in your hands. Now we're going to release, with all this energy now available in the hands, we're going to release it in the head. So take and look here, move so your pointy fingers behind the ear and the other ones go in front, and we just go. Just go. Do it in a way that you like. Not too hard, not too fast, just in the way you like. Close your eyes also, right? Close your eyes, notice that there's a lot of colors probably. Energy moving, just keep going here. Okay, take your hands now in front of the face and rub here. Just rub, take the forehead, rub. The ears, the eyes, cheeks. Just rub. Just what comes to mind, just go for it. Now we're gonna take the back of the neck. Just use your pointies here and then just go here. Just easy up and down. And you'll notice energy starts to release. Okay, and then we have just behind here, we have these temples here. Go a little bit more rough on them. Just keep on going, just a couple of minutes here, just releasing energy into the middle, neck, just move that energy. Now let's take the top of the head, fingertips or palms, doesn't matter, whatever feels right, behind the ear with your thumbs. Okay, good. Now let's relax here. It's really good for hairstyle also, I see. Okay. Okay, just notice how you're feeling now. Notice your shoulders. Notice also how present you have become with your tension. And if you want to move that attention more into your heart space, take your hands just in the middle of the chest. You can go a little bit to the left if you want to, but really just in the middle here, just move it around. See if you can have your breath come to the stomach, up into the chest. Okay. thank you for your 5 minutes time, and hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up like that, not like this, but give a comment also if there's something you want more of these kind of practices. And then have a wonderful day. Be watchful, be attentive on how much screen time you're using, what you're doing, and most important of all, be intentional with your time, use your imagination creatively, and have a wonderful time. Take care. Bye-bye.